Hello guys, and welcome to the 14th video tutorial on JavaScript, and we will continue to use a few more methods and properties I'm going to teach you. And the first thing I want you guys to do is create a var test equal, I'm going to type hello, my name is Victor, and down here let's type document right. Now test dot, and this is a new index of, this is a new method that you can use in JavaScript. And so you have to type index of, make sure the O is in capital O, and then a parenthesis. As you know, methods have parentheses. Methods and functions, you can think of those two as the same one, because usually we call methods, but some developers call it functions. So I may call it methods, and some tutorials I may call it functions, but they are the same. Okay, so you already know that functions have the parentheses at the end. So as you can see, we have index of, two parentheses, so this is a method or function. This is a built-in function in JavaScript, so we don't have to create it, we just have to call it. Now between the parentheses, we just have to type, in this case let me type Victor, let me type just a semicolon at the end, and what this will do is search in test. So it will search in the variable test, so it's a string, where Victor is. Okay, so it will give us the position of the name Victor. So it will count, it will give us a number, okay, a numerical value, and let me just run it so you'll see right away how this works. So it gives me number 17. What this means is, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the spaces counts as well as a number, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and it starts the name Victor. It gives us the position where in the string is the name Victor. Okay, if I type here, for example, name, probably will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will give us the number 9 probably. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So it's just a simple way where you can search for a large amount, where you have a big string. It's something you can use to search a name that you want to know where it is when you have thousands of lines of code. Okay, if for example you type Joseph or something like that, just a random name that is not in the string, let's see what happens. Run this in Chrome, -1. What this means is that the name that you want to search doesn't exist on the string. Okay, so you'll have the information that the name that you want to search, it doesn't really exist there. Okay, now there is also another thing you can use, another method or a function, which is match. Now match is something that will return the name if the name exists. So let me just type, for example, Joseph again, and let me run this in Chrome. Okay, it gives us null. It gives us null because it doesn't exist, Joseph. But what about if I type Victor the return, it will be Victor. And if even I type just half of the name, you'll see if I run it, it will give me it is saying that exists Vict. Okay, it doesn't give me the complete name or the complete word, but it gives me the letters that exist in that order. Okay, so Vict exists, so that gives me that is the response that match method is giving me. Now these are just simple, very simple methods you can use in JavaScript, but at the end of this chapter, I'm going to put a list that you can download. I'm going to put a file after the project. You can find a file that I'm going to put in there with all the methods in JavaScript you can use. Okay, not only the methods, I'm going to put methods, properties, and event handlers there. Okay, guys, so you can check it out, and also you can check W3 Schools. It's a great source for you to find whatever you want about JavaScript. And that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, just send me a message. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.